All right, now we're going to take a look at how to set up the IP whitelisting and the security page for Skycloak. Okay, the IP whitelisting will allow you to block certain IPs and allow only some for certain page or certain APIs. So that's very useful when you're using Keycloak and you don't want people to access, for example, your admin console. You just block this page or block all the APIs, all the API calls to /admin, and you only allow, for example, your VPN. So that's a very good use case, and we have a lot of people having this. So now let's do it self-serve, okay? So the first thing you're gonna do, of course, have a cluster. If you don't have one, you can't do nothing. Okay, good. Select now your Keycloak cluster, go to the security page, and once you're there, you're gonna scroll down and go to your IP access control feature, okay? I have the WAF enabled here. I'm just going to disable it just to make sure we are focusing only on IP access control. And when I see this, I can then enable it, and then I can start, doing my setup. So the first thing I'm going to do is figure out what is my IP. I'm under a VPN right now. I'm just going to do my IP. Come here. Very good. All right, we're going to take this. Bam, just so we can remember it. Just to test the reverse, what I'm going to do is I'm going to block all path to /admin, and I'm going to say only allow to 1.2.3.4 IP address, and then you can also select a range. Okay, so I'm going to do this. So as you see, you select the pattern, you select the IP address, and then you do add path rule, otherwise it will not be added. So now you see we have one rule. We can add others, but basically we'll just be testing with this particular rule. And once you do that, you can scroll down and do save configuration. And now it's going to go and apply it. The idea is the Keycloak cluster sits in its own environment, and it's isolated with specific network configuration. And what we're doing here is adding another layer to this network configuration to make sure that only certain IPs can reach Keycloak now. So once it's ready, it's gonna just say it's ready, and then it's going to allow, there you go. So now it's going to only allow 1.3.4 to access the admin page. So I'm gonna click here to get access to my admin console, and boom, what you see here is this was the IP I selected initially. This is the one under the VPN, and it's not allowing me access to /admin. That's very good. That's what we want. So now I'm coming back. What I'm going to do is I'm simply going to let's do the same thing. Normally I would suggest under the same path, put multiple IPs, but here I'm just going to do my IP here. Just for testing. Boom. We have both the same, and now we're going to allow this IP as well. Okay, I'm just gonna go down, save my configuration, wait for it to get ready, and then we'll test. All right, so configuration is applied. Now let's see what's happening. If I go to the test cluster again, if I come and I click here, there you go. Now I can get access to it with my IP. So that's the idea, okay? I come back, if I remove it, and I apply, you know exactly what's going to happen, so I'm not gonna do it again. So that's the idea. That was the IP access control feature. It allows you to block certain things for your cluster, certain path, certain endpoints, and only allow specific IPs. You can also do this with an CIDR range or a specific IP. That's it. All right, go and enjoy.